Hello and welcome to our presentation of halibut cutlets, a new cut for us here at the Fish Society. I'm excited to cook them today and tell you all about them. This is the top side of the halibut and this is the bottom side. What we've done here is filleted off one side of the top and bottom of the halibut. Then we have trimmed round the bones to lead this cutlet. You know, you might think back to a lamb cutlet. The principle is pretty similar, really. We're going to leave it on the bone, which is going to be great to have a little flipping tool here, as you can see. And also cooking it on the bone is great for a fish like this. Keeps the moisture in. Quite an oily fish, halibut. So it should be quite interesting. And I think the presentation is going to be great. Right, so we're going to keep it simple. We're going to pan fry these halibut steaks with some butter, oil, and some good bits to go with it to see how they come out. Little salt and pepper. That's quite handy, the little flipper. So these are going in when the pan's nice, hot and smoky. And it says the recipe is 6 to 8 minutes, which actually we will need on these because they're very thick. You want to drop your heat down to about medium and let the fish cook about 2/3 of the way through before flipping it. That's when we're going to add the butter. Oh yeah, baby. So I think they turned out fantastically. I think they look great with the bone coming up the top. It was also quite useful when cooking to flip it. Lots of nice natural fats in there coming out during the cooking. I would be very impressed to receive one of these at the dinner table. Right, so Lawrence, eat my halibut.
That is gorgeous.
Would Tim be impressed? Would he be happy?
I think Tim would be very impressed.
Meaty, isn't it?
Oh, really meaty. Great texture. Don't mind me. No, that is really nice.
That's good, isn't it? Butter, salt, and pepper helps a lot.
Everything.
Yeah.
I'm just going to keep going.
Okay, fish lovers, so that just about wraps it up. These are the new halibut cutlets. Fantastic. Thumbs up. So find them on the website, give them a try, let us know what you think.